This lock and dam was built in 1931. It was built on wood cribbing and wood piling. And over the years, the old foundation has started to fail on the lower guide wall. The challenge of the job is obviously the river, but then we had the new alignment and the old alignment, and that area down there was had to be removed. It had to be trimmed. Well, we needed a 3D excavator, and we needed the intricate grinder. I struck up a conversation with Derek, the service manager at RMS in East Moline, and it just took off from there. He got me in touch with Brian Stoley, and then from there, Brian really did a good job of bringing this together with using before 90 with eye technology and a 3D model. And the operator is able to look at the line on the screen and know he has to grind to the line. So we were actually grinding a length 360 feet long, 5 feet tall. And I would say we were probably 7 to 8 feet underwater. We installed 63 drilled shafts, and then we rebuilt them. We set aside 2 weeks to do it. So we got here on a Thursday. Friday, we put the head on. We started grinding on Monday, late Monday, and I would say we were about 7/8 done as of Saturday at 3 o'clock. You give timelines, and everybody hit their timeline, and really couldn't have went any better. This was the only way to go.